Bonjour, mes amis. It is I, Mademoiselle Garnet. No, it's me. It's Miss Karen from Adams Memorial Library. I was just pretending to be somebody else. I was using my imagination because that's what this month's theme, our Inquire Within program for this month, is all about imagination. And, two people who like to use their imaginations a lot would be Pinkalicious and Peterrific. So all the activities this month are from their show. You could make a mask, pretend to be somebody else. You could make a sock puppet. You could pretend to have your own magic wand, and you can use your imagination to think, what kind of wishes could you bestow on people? There will also be in the kit a sparkly magic wand, but you can make your own too. I made mine look like a star, but you can use your imagination and make yours look like whatever you want. You can do whatever shapes you want to make your magic wand, or you can make it into something else altogether. You could make it into a spoon to cook something. You could make it into a giant pencil so you could write something. It's up to you. Use your imagination and see what you can come up with. So the kits that we have this month will have these activities in, and there's also a unicorn bookmark, because Pinkalicious has a friend Goldilicious, so you can make your own unicorn bookmark. It just fits over the book like this, or you can do something else. If you don't want to make a unicorn, you can make whatever other animal or whatever else you would like. You can make an alien. You could make the instructions say panda corn or just a panda. You can do anything you would like. Just use your imagination and the sky's the limit. So in the kit, I'm going to tell you about these crafts, but there's also a couple of other things from Pinkalicious and Peterrific, like making up your own dance. Well, that's a good way to use your creativity. And this one is called a Pink Amazing Animal Dance. So you can think of an animal and decide how it'll move. If you're going to be a snake, maybe you can move from side to side. If you're an elephant, maybe you need some trunk action going. If you're a bird, you could fly around the room. When you use your imagination, you can do whatever you would like. And there's also a paper in the kit for telling a story, so you can make up your own story. And this month in the kit, you could even use this little book, this little blank book. You can write your own story and you can do your own pictures, because there's this book and there are some Pinkalicious pencils in the kit this month too. So you can come down to the library and pick up the kits. You can come down to the children's room and get one, or you can always call us and you can reserve one and we'll have them ready for you or as many as you need, and we'll have them ready for you to pick up through curbside service. Or if you're not able to come to the library, you can email us at kids@adamslib.org, and I'd be happy to send you the activities and the instructions for the things that we're making this month. But we'll have the kits for as long as they last, till we run out. And let me tell you a little bit more about the crafts too. As I mentioned, if you're able to come into the library, you can come down to the children's room and pick up the kits. But if you're not able to, you can email us and I can email you the instructions, and then you can gather the materials and do these things on your own. So one of the things is creating your own sock puppet. So the kit will have a sock and some other materials, some yarn. There's going to be in the kit some different colored papers, so you can decide what colors you would like to make all of your activities, and some shiny paper too. So you can mix and match. You can decide how you would want to use those things. But you could cut for your sock puppet, you could cut out pieces of paper. We might throw some little pom-poms in for you. If you have anything at home that you can use, there'll be some glue in your kit in a little container with a lid. And if you have a paintbrush or something at home, you could use that. Otherwise, we'll put in some Q-tips so you can spread the glue that way. You can always use your fingers if you don't mind getting a little messy, and wash your hands. And, just spread something down so you don't get glue everywhere. So cover your workspace. You can, if you have markers or crayons or paints, you can color your sock however you would like, and then you can put on a show with your puppet. Now to make these masks, the template for them will be in the kits, and we will also, it says you can cut out the holes and put some string in or yarn. If you have some at home, you're welcome to do that, but we'll also put in a straw if you wanted to just attach the straw, tape the straw on like I did. That works too. You just have to hold your mask, but it's not so bad. You can decorate that however you would like. You can be whatever you want. You can be an animal, a person, up to you. To make this wand, the instructions say star wand, but again, it is up to you. You can do it however you want. There will be a star template in the kit if you would like to use that, but if not, you could just turn it over and it'll be on cardstock, so it'll be a little heavier. You can design something else, but what you will need to do this are two things that are the same, because there'll be a wooden rod in your kit too. So you need to have one thing, in my case it's stars, one star on the back, and then the kit, and then some ribbon if you want to attach that into, and then the other star on the top, or whatever else you're using. But if you're using the stars, you'll just have to turn it to make sure they fit just right on each other. Then you can put some glue down, put a lot of glue down, and the stick will be in the middle. Ribbons, if you're going to do it, will be in the middle. And then you can attach that together. If you want to just use the star template, you can use that. It'll be white, and then you can decorate it the way you'd like. If you want to use some other paper, you can trace that with the template, put it on top, and it'll just work that way too. And if you wanted to put some of the shiny paper on, you can always cut that out and use that also. So I would love to see what kind of things you do. So feel free to bring your activities in or email them so everybody at the library can see too. So we would love to see what you're imagining. The bookmark is from this book from Red Ted Art called Easy Paper Projects. And in the kit will be the template to make a unicorn or something else. So you can decide what you would like to do. This will be on some cardstock too. So you can just cut that out. And then I decided I wanted a pink unicorn because, why not? So I attached the pink paper onto the cardstock to make it a little sturdier for use in the book. So you can do that. You can have it however you would like. But if you decide you want it this way, where you want the arms, the front legs to go over the book, when you cut your pieces, you just have to make an extra piece with these front legs. And then when you glue it on, you don't want to glue it all the way on. You just want to glue it at the top. So it'll have this opening so you can put the bookmark over the book. And I used, since I was making a unicorn, I used some of the shiny paper to make a horn, but whatever you want to do is going to be great. This is all about using your imagination, so see what you can come up with. And I hope you'll have a lot of fun. I hope you'll enjoy using your imagination and seeing what you can create. So thank you very much for watching, friends, and thank you very much, as always, to our friends at WQED Education and Clearview Federal Credit Union who make it possible for us to do these projects with you and make the kits and do an Inquire Within project each month. So thank you very much, and please join me again next month when we'll do another Inquire Within program. So thank you, friends. Bye.